The Tuticorin custodial murder case has a big update now. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister E. Palanisamy says the case of the murder of Jayaraj and Benix at the hands of the Tuticorin police will be transferred to the CBI. EPS, the Chief Minister, says the case will be transferred to the CBI once permission is granted from the courts. Shalini breaking the story first here on India Today. Shalini, the quest for justice continues for Jayaraj and Benix, and now the case will be transferred to the CBI. The way I see it is the heat will be off the state government, but there is no assurance just yet that justice will be done.
Indeed, Shiv, that's one way of looking at it. A lot of people already taking on to Twitter saying that now we'll be kept in the dark with what is happening. We're not going to have access to the information that's going to be trickling in this particular case. But on the other hand, there was mounting pressure on the government to take some hard and stern action, because was suspension enough when you have so many cases of police brutality come to light in a matter of a week in Tamil Nadu? The first one, which was the Jayaraj and Benix case, where they were taken into the police station for keeping their shop open after hours during curfew time. Did they deserve to die for that? That was a question everyone has been asking, be it the human rights activists, be it normal citizens of Chennai, be it the opposition party. Everyone was hitting hard at the AIADMK government, asking them to take stern action, especially the Chief Minister, as he is the one that holds the Home Department in the state. And now the Chief Minister has just announced in Salem that after obtaining the consent of the Madras High Court, they will then transfer this case to the CBI. As of now, there is a magistrate probe that is ongoing in this particular case. Yesterday, post 9 p.m., the magistrate in charge went to the Kovalpatti sub-jail and spoke to people, officials, inmates, asked them to show evidence, CCTV records as well. Today, they were at the Santankulam police station, looking at documentation, looking at evidence that could help them in this probe, and also talking to officials on duty over there. Right now, we're just getting in news that Chief Minister Edappadi Palanisamy of Tamil Nadu has said that once consent is obtained from the Madras High Court, they will transfer this case to the CBI.
Okay, thanks, Shalini. That's a big development there. The case is going to be transferred to the CBI now, and we will continue to track it very, very closely. This is not going to for a moment mean, if anyone thinks that this is going to be out of the purview of our reporters, we will continue to report it very, very doggedly.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.